This 5-minute solution will show you how to make password protect a PDF file on iPhone. On your iPhone, if you have a secret or very personal PDF that you want to protect from everyone, you can do it in just few steps. So right now I will show you very easiest method to password protect a PDF file without any third-party software. So as you can see, this is a PDF file. This one I'm going to protect now with password. So first of all, I'm opening a browser and typing here password protect PDF online. Right now I will use the Adobe website. So opening the Adobe website, tapping on select a file. Now selecting my PDF. Here create password for your PDF file. Confirm the password here. Then tap on set password. Once the PDF protected, tap on download. So now all you have to need just download this password protected PDF file from here, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.